Hello everyone. It's been a long time. I have not have update on my channel. So the market changing a lot in the last few weeks. Um, as you can see, the SP and 500 got broke the all-time high. Nasdaq broke all-time highs. Uh, Gold keep going up, and it just broke another high today. And silver broke out the monthly um, resistance right here, and it gonna heading the high, the all-time high in 2011. So the question is, how about Bitcoin? It's um, try to break the all-time high too. That's the good news. So since the last few weeks, as I mentioned in a few video, that's after Bitcoin broke all-time high, but it go almost straight line in weekly chart. The momentum is were really strong, but technically, to be healthy, market tend to have a correction or like a taking a break between the next rally up. If you know about Elliott Wave, usually one running up have five ways. Um, Currently is the way it, I think it's wave five. So if you start from here after the long correlation from bear markets, the runway one correction two, three, four, and the wave five could be the same magnitude of wave one, which it could go to 50% from here. So this if this wave five become true, Bitcoin will reach 100,000 K in the next few months by the end of this year. This is very promising. So in daily charts, in the May 2, it have the bear trap around 60,000. So when it broke down up below 60,000, I start scaling because my target big um, um, buyback gonna be 50,000. But Bitcoin really strong this year with all the institutional support. And since the last few days, is many company and hedge fund have been disclosed about their holding. That include a lot of Bitcoin ETF. So institution is really buying it at the hedging or speculation. They not gonna buy big portion in their portfolio, maybe up to 5%, but compared to the few cycle in the past, it's totally different. And as you know, the institution, they can borrow money, they can raise money from anywhere. So that's cash flow inflow gonna be huge. That's very good news for Bitcoin. So um, now I'm already in a half of my trading portfolio. I have not touched my um, long term in the investment back. I just follow the 4 year cycle, and based on the after the halving, it used to take like a year to go to the top. I bought the big portion of my long-term investment around 30K, still holding it so far. And I gonna start scaling out when Bitcoin reach 100K. And for my trading portfolio, I have been half into Bitcoin. And if today close above 67 thousand, I will scale in more. and um, the big resistance around 70K gonna be a very um, important level. If it breaks it, it's gonna a lot of um, um, like it's gonna run very fast. From here, I think go right to 80K because the long term trend follower they're gonna see is all the correction here is just after is a retest a broke out of the last all-time high in 2021, and it very have a very healthy 2 months of correction. And if it break 74,000 again, meaning the retest was successful, and it could keep running with Wi-Fi heading to 100K. Um, and let's look at the Ethereum. Um, so the altcoin, most of the middle and low cap altcoin have not been doing well this year. It's just up and down, and from the beginning of this year, it almost goes sideways. So I just focus on a few top coin like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, and a few of AI coin to trade. Um, Big portion of my portfolio in Bitcoin, and smaller in Ethereum, and much smaller in another coin. So Ethereum have the good day today. I'm waiting for the daily close in the next 6 hours. Um, if it close here, meaning it break the trend line since April 9. So it's suggests the strength, the money coming back. And the level of 2,800 dollar here. It have one bear trap, big wick here, and have already 3 times retest. And its support here is hold very strong with the 30 week and 200 30 weeks moving average and 200-day moving average holding at a support, and today breakout uh, successfully with a good volume uh, when how the goods base for the Ethereum can keep going up in the next few weeks. Um, so if I have to guess, um, you can see in July 21, the structure is very similar. Um, so after it goes sideways, after breakout the bear markets accumulation area here, it goes sideways and holding above 2,200 for a few months, and it's running up. But still, it's running up so fast for almost straight line every day. It used to go into the correction, and the that's why I sell Ethereum mostly around here around three thousand five hundred. I have starting I have been trading very short term. It's a very small size so far to feel the how the bull and bear fighting. But the big portion of me buying is around I scale in when it get closer to 200 moving average. Um, so as you can see in the 2021, it is very similar. It go back down to 30 week moving average or 200-day moving average, um, and then it's gonna go back to retest the high one more time. So so looking forward until the end of this year, two scenarios gonna play out. The one is because the structure and it's very similar in this price action here, it suggests it can go back to retest all-time high again, and then it go back down to this level. Uh, and I don't know, it could be the end of for Ethereum this cycle. But if it could hold above this level and then curving up, then the bull markets continue. But for trading now is very good time to scale in. Um, Yeah, let's take a look at Solana. Solana this year is much stronger than Ethereum because it starts having a lot of application, decentralized applications available for you to have easy to have the coin, the meme coin. It have the DeFi application similar to Uniswap. Um, it have not been stable, but the fee on Solana is so cheap. For trader, it's good. If you want to trade it on chain, um, it has been stronger than Ethereum. It going to retest all-time high again. Let's see if we can break it. I scale in a little bit of Solana around this level when it breaks the daily resistance. Uh, and so I'm going to wait and see if the volume keep uh, holding up so that I can scale in more. Um, Also, I feel my buying is for the AI related coin is a rendering and fetch. Uh, they are the leader of cryptocurrency this year, and it's keep holding very well when on the coin do the correction, like Fed coin, Ocean coin. Another quicker one is the graph. Um, yeah, the Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, it try to coming back to its bull run. Um, I hope similar to the overall stock markets and the gold and precious metal markets, crypto will break out the all-time high and keep running up is a upcoming weeks and month by them this year. All right, I'm out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.